Hi, everyone, welcome back to Top Capable. In today's video, we're gonna show you two simple ways to record your computer screen on Windows 10. You can follow the same steps to capture your computer screen easily. And it's totally free. Alright, let's dive in. So, a pretty common request is how can we record the screen from a computer running Windows 10? Well, in fact, your PC has a native screen recorder that comes with Windows 10 and Windows 11. It's called the Xbox Game Bar. You could simply use it for screen recording without downloading any extra software. It is able to capture game clips, record video games and also other non-game apps running on your computer screen. However, except the desktop, File Explorer, and some specific apps. So, to use the Xbox Game Bar on Windows 10, you'll have to enable it in the first place. To do that, go and click on the Windows icon on your computer, and select Settings. Then go to the Gaming. And now you can see here's the Xbox Game Bar option. Once you reach here, simply toggle on the Xbox Game Bar. And the Windows screen recorder is accessible now. So when Xbox is enabled, you can do screen recording very easily. For example, let's say you want to record a video playing on your screen. Just open and play the video. And then press the shortcut Windows and G on your keyboard. This will bring up the control panel of the Xbox Game Bar. As you can see, here are a few different options. From here, we select the capture option. From the pop-up box, you can click on the first button to take a screenshot. You can also do that by pressing the shortcut Windows, Alt, and Print Screen. And when you're ready to start recording, just hit the camera icon, or press the combination Windows, Alt key and the R key. Press those three keys at the same time, the screen recording will start automatically. And when the screen capturing starts, you will have a tiny floating toolbar on the screen. You can see how long the recording lasts. And you can also stop the recording if you hit the stop button. If you'd like to include your voice in the screen recording, go turn on the microphone and add your narration. It's pretty easy to capture the screen activity on your computer using this Windows screen recorder. However, keep in mind that Xbox Game Bar only allows you to record one active application at a time. Even if you switch to another display while recording, it still captures the one you started with. And even stops the recording when you switch. So, if you want to record all applications on your Windows screen simultaneously, we have another solution. The AppGeeker screen recorder for you. It records everything running on your computer, including the desktop, games, media players, and anything else you launch on the screen. I will drop its download link below this video. Make sure you click it to explore more features about it. Alright, back to the Xbox Game Bar. When you're done recording, like I said, just hit the stop button to exit, and it tells you that the game clip has been recorded. Click on the pop-up message, and here you're able to view and play the recording you just created. You can locate the recordings in the capture folder. They will be saved in MP4 format by default. So this is how you can record your Windows screen using its own recorder. And the next option we're gonna show you is to record your computer screen using the PowerPoint from Microsoft. When you have the PowerPoint installed on your Windows 10, you can surely launch it to create a basic screen recording. So on your computer, just simply create a new PowerPoint. And add a new slide here. When you need to capture the screen from your computer, at the top, find Insert, and click on it. Then select the screen recording option from the right corner. As you can see, here shows up a straightforward control panel. You can easily find the record, select area, audio, and the record pointer options. When you're ready, you can either click on Record button, or use the keyboard shortcut Windows, Shift, and the R key to start. You can also pin the control dock on your screen if you want. Or move your mouse to the top border, and it appears again. When you finish recording, click on the stop square to end it, or press the Windows, Shift and Q on your keyboard. Then, you will find the captured video has been added to the slide. You can play it to check. Also, we can export and save this recording on our computer. You just need to right-click on it, and select the option Save Media As. Then rename the MP4 file, and store it in a new location. This method is pretty easy and quick. And you can create screen recordings without using any additional applications. But remember that it only works for the basic recording. If you want a more advanced and professional screen recorder, you can try the AppGeeker screen recorder, which we've mentioned before. You will find the link in the video description below. It's a very powerful tool with screen recording and video editing features built in. So do not hesitate and give it a try. Alright, that's what we have for today. Hope it helped. And if you enjoyed this video, please give us a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, see you.